Case law on citizenship. Pradeep Jain Doctor versus Union of India. Dr. Yogesh Bhardwaj versus Union State of Uttar Pradesh. Supreme Court held that Article 5 recognized domicile of India does not recognize the concept of state domicile. Sundar Gopal versus Sundar Rajni, AIR 2013. Regarding domicile of the choice of Supreme Court has held that domicile of choice mere acquisition of other domicile is not sufficient. There must be clear intention and abandon of the domicile of the origin. Bhanwaru Khan versus Union of India, AIA 2002. Supreme Court recognized that those who had voluntarily migrated to the Pakistan and become the citizen there cannot return to India. They cannot claim the citizenship of the India on the ground that they had been living in India for a long time and their names have been included in the voter list. State Trading Corporation of India Limited versus Commercial Tax Officer, AIA 1963. Supreme Court held that company is not a citizen and therefore they cannot claim fundamental right which has been conferred upon the citizen. The court further clarified that citizenship in part 2 of the concerned with the natural person and not the juristic person. Tata Engineering versus State of Bihar, AI 1965. Tata Engineering versus State of Bihar, AI 1965. It was contended by the shareholder of the company that through the company was not the citizen but the shareholder was a citizen and therefore fundamental of its shareholder must be protected by lifting the corporate veil. The Supreme Court was rejecting the said connection, held what cannot be achieved directly cannot be achieved indirectly. The company does not receive the protection of fundamental rights through the shareholders. R.C. Cooper versus Union of India Bank Nationalization Case, AIR 1970. Supreme Court has held that the state action impairs the rights of the shareholder as well as company. The shareholder will be entitled to protect under Article 19. From this case, Supreme Court adopted a flexible approach in the interpreting this aspect. Godhad Electricity Company Limited versus State of Gujarat, AIR 1975. Supreme Court held that through a company is not a citizen but a shareholder has right to carry on business through agency of a company.